Hello everyone and welcome to 5 minutes of channel. In this video I want to talk about a solution regarding anomaly behavior access on z/OS dataset. In 5 minutes of course. IBM Threat Detection for z/OS is a new solution for the z/OS platform released in September 2024. Its objective is to identify behaviors and data access anomalies. So we are talking about dataset access on z/OS, such as VISAM and non-VISAM dataset. I would like to point out the behavioral analysis has been talked about for some time. In the first instance, we saw behavioral analysis applied to user activities, but also in the monitoring of network flows carried out via network probes and CIM systems. But we are on z/OS. And how can we do it? Well, if user behavioral analysis can be partially satisfied through z-Secure product in collaboration with the CIM, there is no other security tool capable of analyzing suspicious behavior in accessing resources. We started now with TDZ product, which is an OTC product that can work with z15 and z16 and above, starting from z/OS operating system 2.5 version. TDZ in more detail focuses on detecting anomalous and potentially dangerous access to data. Well, and how does this work? It does this by analyzing all data access operations using the user ID, the dataset name, and job name attributes as key elements for analysis. The information needed for this analysis is collected and provided by two system components, the DFSMS and the Z-Week, that is the workload interaction correlator, and then written to the SMF record type 98. Let's now see an operational diagram of the solution. In this representation, we see the address space of active jobs on system sys1, sys2, sys3 that belong to the same sysplex, using DFSMS and Z-Week to collect the SMF98 records. The part in blue represents the hardware instrumental services component that is responsible for writing this data in raw format on the OpenUSS part, therefore on a ZFS type file system. This ZFS is the source from which TDZ draws for its work. TDZ uses the cron service, that is the scheduler for Unix systems, to regularly schedule the processing of raw data written to ZFS. The processing analyzes data using AI algorithms that highlight the risk relating to the anomalous access to data that deviate from a baseline. Then, through the dashboard provided via the z/OSMF plugin, we can graphically view the data access activity and the anomalies found. The dashboard is, however, optional in the sense that TDZ can also work without a dashboard, but it is clearly recommended. And this is the TDZ dashboard. It is normal for there to be many anomaly signatures at the beginning, as we are in a phase of learning the data access behavior, so it is not a problem. Over time, as the historical baseline is built, signature filtering will begin to shout events, resulting in a reduction in the volume of protected activity on the dashboard. At this point, it will be possible to activate the alerting option to get feedback in case of anomalous access. Thank you for your attention and don't miss the next video on this channel. Bye bye from Luigi.